This how to 1 minute will show you how to buy hosting from Bluehost. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to purchase hosting for your website from Bluehost. So first of all, open bluehost.com website, and once you're here, scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get hosting packages. You can select any package to get started. So I'm selecting the basic package, and now you can purchase a new domain for your Bluehost hosting package from here, or you can add your own domain here, but I'll create my domain later. And you have to fill up this form. So enter your first name, last name, your city, and then scroll down. Here you will get your package information. You can add some extra packages from here, and now you have to enter here your card information. And if you want to purchase the hosting using your PayPal, then select PayPal, and now click on submit. And now click on create password to create a password for your Bluehost account. So enter here the password, confirm the password, and click on create password. And that's how we can purchase hosting package from Bluehost. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.